Todwong, Richard Todwong, omiyo it and facilitation. The Right Honorable Richard Todwong, Secretary General of NRM Party, has already facilitated me. Enough facilitation. Todwong wajoni gain mapire tech is unity in the party. Todwong chwala, I don't want to ask for money from anybody. Todwong has already facilitated me and my team to go all round actually sub-region and make sure that the disunity matika balo kuipala didloponi kenenni kitiye mabe pian watiki disunity in the party in the sense ni daro tiki different camps in NRM ono wabiro ni kadong primary elections otum no dano mirubedi eto kumrichawa ni watika teach machalo factions in the party. Jopa ngadi. Karika ngatabene petie machalo the official flag bearer. Tika lwenki le wore. Dongli eroni Todwong Richard wajoni machalo advice ma from the secretariat. Ene mironi one machalo NRM ubeda chiel. Unless ka gimone dodi wama pe watwero, she don't end, he will step in. Him and team. Where it defeats us, Todwong and team will step in. But in the case of Kitgum, municipality, Kitgum district, ono foot peramo bieno pa Todwong. Jopala muaga ukeroret. Jopala muaga ukeroret ikom supporta paleli arabe, honorable minister. Eto mirubet kenge ni, la muaga is not the official candidate for the party. And for us, we are surprised. Ni ngoma weko la muaga bieno kalwenye komabe lelian. That's why I questioned earlier on, I questioned Oriem and team, Minister Oriem and team. How comes that Lamuaga is being so powerful to attack the flag bearer of NRM in the person of Lily Arabe? Where does Lamuaga get the backing? Where does Lamuaga get the backing? Where does the opposition in Kitgum get the backing against Beatrice Anywa? Our elders in NRM should help us. Where does the opposition get the backing against Beatrice Anywa? Where does Lamuaga, who is not the official flag bearer, get the backing against Lily Arabe? Hypocrisy, selfishness, greed. Ertia kirutimioni agigo lokakona wajoni with the immediate effect. Pewa miro neno la muagaka yellow any supporter of Abe Lilian. Pewa miro neno any position ka disorganizing campaign pa Beatrice Anywa. These are our own ministers, appointed by our own President, General Yoweri Museveni Kagota. And my last advice to our ministers, stop fighting each other. You are all our ministers who have been appointed by the same president and the same chairman of the party. Why should you fight each other? Our ministers, Abe Lilian, Pelwenki Beatrice Anywa. Beatrice Anywa, Pelwenki Abe. onek Hillary pelwen ki Oriem okelo pelwen ki onek Hillary lo kama giki Oriem okelo la mwaka tika yelo Liliana be pian la mwaka chok kwedi Oriem okelo tel soksi ni la mwaka pe duka yelo be angeni pe winye machalo ministers eto wun pe winye petian lok me nyegu Oriem tamoni ka be o karukui koni ki be chiemo doko gina dit Oriem tamoni ka Hillary karukui koni ki be chiemo Hillary doko gina dit Hillary tamoni Oriem ka o karukui koni ki be chiemo doko gina dit abe tamoni bitro za nywa ka o karukui koni ki be chiemo doko gina dit bitro za nywa tamoni abe ka o karukui koni ki be chiemo doko gina dit so ministers weng tika lweng obibalu kui pala dit lobo amaro Liliana be petian loka shell luwa ke rapin honorable minister Liliana be wajo ni ape ke pero ki ngatumo ke ken mati NRM ape ke pero ki lutiro NRM ape ke pero ki minister la waramo ken yen yo moma etwero lokwede ki jonni we go goin ano man communication pa Liliana be amera kwany kar me foya be me biru la tela chel me wajone ni anything ready Liliana be why ne anything ready me teach ki minister nywa Liliana be why anything ready me teach ki senior minister Oriem okelo Liliana be why ne anything ready me teach ki unek Liliana be why ne anything ready me teach ki ngatomo ken ma president yu kwede pingo okelo dano me lwenyi kom luchwa ka be actually wo biru rek agi ko loka